Hello and welcome to LegacyMind. We have to solve a massive enterprise problem. Conduct AI challenged us to take a slow, inefficient process and make it fast. Today, when an enterprise needs to update a legacy SAP system, engineers have to manually hunt through millions of lines of undocumented code to find dependencies. It takes weeks of manual labor. So, we built an autonomous system that does it in seconds. So we'll start with the analysis. So instead of hiring consultants, a user simply types their change request into a dashboard. So let's say update purchase order approval workflow in MM module. Now when I click run, our master orchestrator triggers a swarm of three specialized AI agents. Let me show how they are actually doing under the hood. So our first agent, the code archaeologist, parses the actual AVAP code into a mathematical graph. So for this demo, we successfully passed 85 real enterprise SAP objects from an open source repository. Now, the second agent, that is the impact analyzer, uses PageRank mathematics and the inverse square law to calculate exactly which files will break and assigns them a risk score based on network centrality. Now, finally, the test generator. It automatically writes the ABAP unit tests for those affected files. Now, we will now see the result. So, here is a real result, a live interactive dependency graph mapping over 140 genuine code dependencies. The red nodes here highlight the exact blast radius of our requested change, but this is for the enterprises, so the human stays in control. So the AI proposes the changes and writes the tests, but a compliance officer manually click approve and can reject before anything happens. We took weeks of manual enterprise consulting and turned it into an automated, mathematically verified workflow. Thank you.